Good morning, guys. Welcome to our sweet home life. Beautiful day today. I looked in this birdhouse the other day, just going to let you guys know. And I found some eggs in this one over here, the new one I put up. I apologize, guys. I should have had that other birdhouse put up. I was going to show you guys how to build one, and I mean well. I just have a lot going on. But anyway, guys, we had some eggs in there. Let me see if I can show you. Mama, you in there with them babies? It's the one I built the other day. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know. But anyway, guys, there was 4 bluebird eggs in there. And male and female have been going in and out of here for a few weeks. I haven't looked in it. I'm gonna get my ladder up there and I'm gonna check it out later on. But anyway, yeah, they liking it around here. We got a lot of spots for them to eat and to hide. They can get in and out of the weather, hide in the trees. A lot of places for them to hide. So one day I'm gonna tell you about my top here. I'll tell you how I got that top, built that top, and how I got it looking like it is. And it's kind of a work in progress also. I've got things I want to do with it. I like that top. Love the top. Everybody needs a good place to get it outside every once in a while. It's not good for people to be inside all the time. That was Glenda's dad's swing. He loved the swing. It's old. That swing's 25 years old or so. You need to paint it with some polyurethane sealer. A lot of good memories, guys, here we made here at this place. A lot of good memories. Look at that daylily over there blooming. You know, I keep holding on to this old grill over here, thinking I'll fix it. It needs to be the bottom needs a new bottom in it. I use it for storage out here. So yeah, I've got the means to fix it. I just don't have a way to do much welding. But anyway, guys, man, I've cooked some good pork roast on that thing. It's a good one, guys. Anyway, here's our little pond we built. Glenn and I put that in. I'll say one thing, the varmints like it fairly well because they always have a place to get water. It's pretty, but it's become a little snaky looking to me. We've kind of abandoned it. We don't do anything much anymore over here in this little area. It's a good little place for a lot of privacy. We're close to the road and we just wanted a little privacy. So that's the reason we have this in here. But anyway, guys, it's a pleasure. Just walk and talk. I watch a channel that the guy has I don't know, he has several thousand subscribers, and he'll give his rundown on his he gives a rundown on his life every day, and people seem to enjoy that. But anyway, we do other things here, you know that's true. Anybody who watches us know we have a wide variety of interests. And Glenda and I have always had a lot of interests. Look at that big old azalea over how it's grown. And I was afraid these were going to be bit down with the frost that we got this year. We had some frost, late frost. very late in the month of May. We don't normally have frost that late. I don't think we've had a frost as late as what we did, and not that I remember. But anyway, look at that yard, guys. Can't get an apple one off that tree. It's probably because it's too shady. What do y'all think? How about telling me what y'all think about that apple tree, what it needs? I know it needs another one, and I had another one. I had another apple tree planted over there where you see that little plant planted. But yeah, I think it died actually. But there's not an apple one on this tree, and when I do get apples on it, they're not quite fit to eat. They're very piffy, real piffy apples. You know, they're not crisp. But I know the squirrels like them. I think, look, there is one apple on that tree. Let me get this thing here where you can see it. There it is. Oh, so this thing's one of the first to bloom and one of the last to bear the fruit. Oh, there's a big apple up there. I say big. This is supposed to be a delicious. Golden delicious. I had a golden and a yellow. I can't find it, guys. I'm looking. Anyway, probably need my glasses on. You think so? Anyway, it's oh, hey, Spot. There's old Spot. About stepped on it. What are you doing, buddy? Hey, Spot. Are you smelling this nice, beautiful flowers here? Spot loves it out here, don't you, Spot? Spot, tell our people hello. Say, hey, everybody. Yeah, she's a good girl. She got a tail. Kitty don't have a tail. Ah, it's almost like somebody building a house over there next door, guys, or a few doors down. Anyway, we got the yard all done up yesterday and cut. Took me about 4 hours to cut it. Yeah, and I got a few tags over there. I see. Big Son, I see them. I see them tags. But anyway, there it is, guys. I was going to show you some of these flowers while I got you on here. I got to get rid of that big boxwood. That thing, it takes over. I mean, it's fairly old, but it's really growing, and it just don't know when to stop. I'm going to put me a chain around it and yank it out of there. But look at these little miniature daylilies. Those are gorgeous. There's the nandinas. And especially when you see this. That is beautiful, isn't it? Had to put my basil under the tree because it was getting too hot out front. Look at these. And Glenda's friend Elaine gave her these flowers. And Elaine, I want you to see your beautiful flowers. Got them in the front yard, all showing off beautifully. Anyway, guys, we've had a lot of rain the past few days, and it's really brought stuff out. You know, I've had to cut the grass a little more often, and I don't know, I got to keep a handle on all this other stuff growing. So anyway, thanks for watching our Sweet Home Life, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for hanging with us. See you next time.